Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today's vehicle for sale is a 2015 Honda CR-V EX. This model comes in a brown exterior, a black interior, sunroof. Around to the back here, Honda CR-V and all-wheel drive badging. That's the trunk space here. Take a look at the back of the vehicle. And quick peek up at the front. Driver door controls. Driver seat controls. Driver seat. Steering wheel. We do have a push-button ignition. Mileage of this vehicle is currently at 51,179. Here's our Honda touchscreen display. So you can see various functions here: radio, backup camera. Below that we have climate control and the shifter. And below that you have the heated seat control for both driver and passenger side, as well as your cup holder and center console storage. Now, if you'd like to see any photos or get any additional information about this Honda CR-V EX or any of our other vehicles, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.